Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So yesterday we talked about this potential triple top on the Bitcoin price action. And right now we can see that we are breaking this ascending wedge to the downside. Also on the RSI we can clearly see that we faked out, let me zoom in, we faked out to the upside, and we know that when a pattern fakes maybe to the upside, we usually break to the opposite side. So we are expecting on this channel this pattern to break to the downside, maybe retest it as resistance and go straight down. Also zooming out on the daily we can clearly see that this pattern on the RSI, this broadening wedge, is currently retesting its support line, and possibly it is the time to break it to the downside. Like previously we can see this one broke to the downside, also this one broke to the downside, and also the other one broke also to the downside. So history suggests that this pattern breaks always to the downside, and in fact in confluence with this rising wedge breaking also to the downside right now, it is possible to retest again this 19k level. Also on the weekly, let's zoom out on the weekly. Also on the weekly we can see this megaphone pattern break that we've covered this pattern for quite a while on this channel, and currently, let me zoom in, currently we are doing a beautiful rejection right here. If this candle closes like it is, or even worse, it is signaling us that the pullback has failed and we are getting rejected to the downside again. But I do not expect to pass below this area, because in fact I expect Bitcoin to make a W pattern, and right now we are still speculating, but that is what I expect, and I will come to this conclusion in a while. I expect this pattern to go and break this W pattern in the following weeks and months. That is because on the RSI we are still in this falling wedge pattern, even on the oversold area, which we currently got above, slightly above it, but we are still waiting this break right here to the upside for the weekly chart. So guys, in the following weeks I still expect Bitcoin to go to the upside, but before that we need to go down. That is my take for Bitcoin price. So guys, pay attention on your longs, because I think we're going back to the 19k. Stay safe, happy trading, see you on the next update.